The United States is over the worst of this virus, but that doesn't mean it's gone away. Whilst hospitalizations and deaths remain low, US daily COVID-19 cases have surged almost 60% in just 2 weeks. The BA.2.12.1 strain is spreading rapidly, and experts say it will soon become this country's dominant form of the virus.
We're seeing variants that emerge every few months. We've had Alpha, Beta, Delta, Omicron, BA2, BA4, BA5. So it's very difficult to really get a strong classical herd immunity when you have immunity that wanes and a virus that, in fact, does not stay stable.
Dozens of senior lawmakers and cabinet members have this past month tested positive for coronavirus, most recently Secretary of State Antony Blinken. Last weekend, Blinken, alongside thousands of others, including the president, attended the White House Correspondents' Dinner, which host Trevor Noah called the nation's most distinguished super-spreader event. The White House insists, however, that strict protocols are in place to protect Joe Biden. Everybody who meets with him or travels with him is tested, and it claims that steps are being taken to ensure those meetings are socially distanced and people in them are wearing masks. It also acknowledges that more action is needed to keep the rest of the population safe too.
We've seen, obviously, the growth of some subvariants, BA4, BA5. What it makes clear is that we are in dire need of being able to plan ahead and take steps to ensure that we are able to be ahead of the rest of the world in ordering the supply we need, especially if there are better vaccines, if there are better boosters, etc.
And yet a $10 billion COVID-19 bill for vaccines and treatments has been held up in Congress for more than a month. America, though, is ahead of the rest of the world in one regard. The US is approaching 1 million COVID-19 deaths, the highest total officially recorded out of all the countries on Earth. BENJI, CGTN, Washington, D.C.